This was a new cylinder, and I went ahead and I put it on the new cylinder so it would stop corrosion. Also, even though these had some corrosion on them, I did several of these cylinders. If you rub here, you can feel it right here.
And how long have you had it on, the corrosion?
This has been on there over a year now.
You said over a year now?
Over a year, yeah. And you can feel it. If you rub your hand on here, you can feel where I've done it.
Mm-hmm.
Feel it? So it stopped what corrosion was there, and it made it really look good. I did these, the brass, and I did the gray a year ago when I did the annual on the aircraft. All the tubes I did coated all the tubes. This I did not coat, and you can see how it's starting to tarnish up. Everything I coated stayed nice and shiny. And you don't see any corrosion on the fins either. If I were to build up a motor, I would coat every part with it and not have to deal with it anymore. Yeah, you can see where the transition here, because the pigment was already dead. And you can see, again, I did a wipe on this here. So no issues with the bugs again.
And we can see right here that, oh, we're not coated, we're not coated, we're not coated. Right here is the line where the coating is starting.
Exactly.
And you can even feel it.
And I defy anybody to tell where I did that. And same on the horizontal back there. Here, and I want you to rub here. Now do the same thing up front.
But I can see it over here.
Can you feel it?
Yeah, right away. I mean, this one you like free, and this one like stopped.
Okay. Now I dare you to find any. Now I did a wipe on with this, and I did it fairly quick. See how perfect it is? Absolutely perfect. And I purposely didn't do it back here.
And you can see the dry water here, but not there.
Exactly.
Good.
See, Frank, can you see the water spot here? So that's the surface that's not been treated with Ceramlock. And then if you look here in the forward section, the water won't, looks like the water won't dry on it, would just, I guess, fall off.
So this section back here has not been coated?
No, it's
and
not.
You can see the water.
And you can see the water spot.
We were flying this yesterday. We probably did 8 or 10 landings yesterday on this alone.
Hey, that thing is a piece of art. It's incredible.
What's that? Oh, this? Yeah, it's a brand new airplane. Brand new production. This is Carbon Cub. This is a brand new airplane. It's only got 60 hours on it. But here, I want you to come up here and feel it. Stand up right here.
Oh, it is exactly here.
Exactly.
Yeah, you can feel right away the transition. Looks like if the surface is slickier and sealed compared to the back.
Now I did a wipe on this. You cannot see the transition, whereas if there was any overspray. Now, we were flying this all day yesterday. See all the bugs we got all over? Touch some of the bugs.
Here we go.
And that's just one light coat on there.
So you basically take the bug off without even, I mean, I'm not applying any pressure here. I'm just basically wiping.
Now what happens is if these bugs, because of the acidity in the bugs, if they were on a normal thing like the Stearman, they eat into the paint. Yes. And once they're into, like love bugs here in Florida, the acidity from them will eat into the paint. Nothing gets through this. So these bugs I can leave on here for a month and just take and wipe them right off. Feel that?
Oh yeah, right away. Yeah, right away. I mean, it just
you
slipped.
Right. There's no surface tension.
No surface tension.
Now I took some of it and I did it on the leading. This takes a tremendous amount of abuse because of water spray. Water spray is so hard on a prop you can't believe it. I coated the nickel leading edge of the prop. Look at the bug. See it come right up? It's even held up on the prop leading edge, which takes a tremendous, you cannot believe how it eats a prop away with water spray on it.